If your little ones love number blocks like my grandsons do, these sensory bottles are such a sweet find. My two grandsons are 3 and 5, and they are completely obsessed with the Numberblocks show. So when they got these for Easter, it was an instant hit. Each bottle is designed around number blocks 1 through 5, and they're filled with fun little details that make counting feel playful and hands-on. What I really love about these is that they do double duty. They're fun for learning numbers and counting, but they also have that calming sensory element too. Kids can shake them, swirl them, stack them, and just watch the glitter and water move around. The soft exterior is also a great touch because it's safe for little hands and won't hurt if it gets tossed during any kind of excitement. These are such a fun gift idea for toddlers and preschoolers, especially if they already know and love number blocks. Friendly reminder, I'm an Amazon influencer, which means I may earn a small commission if you purchase through my link at no extra cost to you. Your support helps me keep creating cozy, helpful reviews like this one. Thank you so much.